back with another video for y'all. I just want to let y'all know. Yep. Oh damn! I'm about to run out of shotgun ammo. I don't be careful. All right, bro. I mean, I know that's what he is, but the way you said it sound kind of racially motivated. I'm just playing. All right, bro. Back up. Excuse me. I know y'all didn't want to hear that. Shoot, I wouldn't want to hear. Oh my! I ain't gonna lie. That scared the hell out of me. I ain't gonna lie. That scared the hell out of me. Who the hell leaves a uncooked chicken? Bro, take this grenade. Yeah, give me that shotgun so I can sell it. I go back here and I can sell it. By the way, thank for that golden egg, but you gotta die. Damn, bro. You mean to tell me that straight gunshot got your titties all up in the bunch, but
what are you selling?
What am I selling?
What are you?
I'm not gonna do the same thing, bro.
Is that?
Oh hell no. Nah. See, this is why You know what? Come in here. Where are they coming from, bro? Yo, you scared? Girl, you gonna kick that damn door? Get up. Ooh, you scared the hell out of me, boy. You scared the hell out of me, boy. Yeah, sit your ass down. Sit it down. Oh my goodness, boy. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. You put the fear of God in me, boy. Bro, you back up. You are not finna grab me, bro. I am not free eats. Sit it down, bro. I just get like, you see what I'm saying? Like they be taking like what's up with that, bro? Like they be taking like, I don't know how many shots to the face with a shotgun, and they be still getting up. Like, bro, I did not tell you to get up. Why are you getting up? Back up, bro. You ain't like that. You ain't like that either. So I don't even know why you even tripping. I don't know what you not grabbing me. That's what you gonna, bro. You are not that durable, bro. Relax. Maybe I need to start aiming high. Of course. Come on, bro. It ain't easy. Yeah. Sit your ass down. Is it me or has mine like? Nah, hold on. It's still the same. I can't even upgrade. Like that's crazy. I can't even upgrade my I can't even upgrade my guns. Like that's so ass. Hold on, can I upgrade my let me see these. Okay, this one's fully upgraded. No, it's not fully upgraded. The damage is though. That's cool. Okay, so hold on. Where am I supposed to be going? Cause I'm breezing through this. Or at least I think I am. I'm not going for no treasure, bro. I'm just gonna like I'm planning on running past him. What's good? Hey, how you doing? How you doing? It's a good day today. I see that. It's a good day today. You know what I'm saying? I see it's a good day. You know, y'all having y'all fun little time. You know, having fun with the chickens and all that. You know, it's such a beautiful day to die. That's what it's a beautiful day is. So you should have mind your own damn business. You should have mind your own business. Oh, you and your buddies, your buddies can join you too. Your buddies can join you. Your neighbors can join you too. You go all happily die together. That's what's going on right now. What you wanna? You really thought you gonna block? You really thought you was gonna block with your hands? You delusional as hell, girl. You delusional as hell. You done something with your hair. Now your hair is blown off. It's all for knots. You know what I'm saying? So what y'all really want to do, ain't it? None of y'all person. Huh? That's what I thought. I'ma just go ahead and just go through this because I'm not finna be going back. You know, these episodes finna be short. I'm just gonna let y'all know. Shorter than usual. I'm taking a break from the Warriors because all this copyright striking and all that is like it's kind of pissing me off. Like, bro, like, come on, bro. I ain't really worried about these. It must be barred from the other side, of course. Of course, niggas. I'm just gonna climb through here then. Back up. Back up. You are not that special. You are not that special, bro. Relax. That was quiet as hell. Oh my goodness, bro. It don't matter. Bro, I could kill you all right here. What's up? You know what? Come towards me. Back up. Y'all are too close. Y'all. Back up. Back up, bro. Look at y'all wearing the same matching shirts, huh? Matching the same. Who say you could live through the shotgun shells, bro? Who say you could do that? I didn't say you could do that. I don't know who the hell y'all think y'all is. Alright, bro. Is this the part with the rolling? Yeah, it's the part with the rolling, bro. Oh. Oh wow, I ain't gotta do all that rolling. I ain't gotta do all that. Bad. Oh, my goal is to what? Rescue this man? It seemed alright, bro. I'm just coming here, I'm sipping tea in your hood. What y'all really want to do though? Nah, but what you? Damn. Damn. That's okay though. Yeah, throw. I got the shotgun, so it's safe. But y'all really want to? That's it now, homie. Well, I can shoot you through the door. Nah, I can't shoot him through the door. But I can shoot through this door. What y'all want? Alright, bro. Y'all gotta die, bro. Yeah, y'all had to die, bro. I don't know who the hell y'all think y'all is to, like, yeah, y'all had to die, bro. Alright. Let's go. Rescue this man. Oh. Hold on. It won't open. Door's locked, man. Shit just... Okay, so what you want me to do about it? Like, where y'all even come from? Like, alright, bro. You can relax with that. I know you feeling like extra... What, you trying to grab me through a window? Like, climb over first, dog. You too lazy. Oh, what the hell, bro? These voices, bro. Bro, where are these voices? Where are these voices coming from? Y'all back here? Alright, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not liking the spiders, bro. I'm not liking the spiders, bro. I'm not doing it for the time being. What's this up here? What's up here? Something spectacular? Huh? Ravidocious? Oh my goodness, listen to that nigga's voice, bro. Like, bro, come on, bro. Like, like you doing too much with the voices, bro. What the hell am I supposed to do here? Am I supposed to, like, go to the back or something? Like, cause damn, bro. Like, come on, bro. Like, look at these windows, bro. Bro, where am I hearing these voices? I'm hearing these voices. Girl, what? Where are these voices coming from? Like, I'm genuinely curious. Where are these voices? What? How? What? Alright, bro. Alright, I got some hidden contraption. I was literally supposed to be there the whole time. Are you serious? Oh my goodness, bro. These niggas about to piss me off with this. Alright, bro. So, that whole time me running around like a dummy, I'm not going in there, bro. Ain't nothing for me to go in there for, bro. Like I said, I'm not doing all that collected treasure, all that extra, all that. I ain't doing all that, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna mow y'all down, like, yeah, I got a load. Yeah, do that. Do that, though. Yeah, do that. I got it all. Whatever the hell that means. Over landing like some superheroes. Sit your ass down. You ain't Iron Man. Or Spider-Man. Or Captain America. Sit it down. You ain't Black Panther. You ain't none of that. Sit it down, homie. Doing too much, bro. Hold on, can I see through this? Oh my God, I see. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you know how many times I complete this game? Like, I complete this game many times, bro. Like, I complete this game like 6 times, really. I remember when I was young. Bro. 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 Back up, please. You are not important for me to consider. Relax. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I know exactly what to do with y'all, bro. Yeah. I know exactly what. I'm not hearing no shotgun dude, so back up. Whoa, hold on, bruh. Who the hell you think you are taking a full shotgun blast like that? The hell's wrong with you? What y'all want? You being protected? Dude took Leon's. Bro, what is up with these dudes taking? Bro, sit it down. Bro, sit down. You. Bro. I don't know why he's wearing it. I don't care. I just want to get this over with. These dudes over here taking my guns, shotgun bullets, shotgun shells like it's nothing. It's really pissing me off, like low key. He was not doing all that. Alright, bro. That boy was not quick like that. He was like this.
Hay un rumor que hay un extranjero entre nosotros.
Nuestro jefe se curará de la rata. Si la plaga es mucho mejor que la nuestra.
Tienes razón, es un hombre.
What the hell you just?
You carry the same blood as us.
Damn. The impact was so heavy. It got the top. Got the ceiling creaking.
If you become unpleasant,
Damn, you heavy as hell.
you'll face severe consequences.
You want to be bad. You want to be bad. You want to be Batman so bad. You are not Batman. Damn. Damn. You want to crush that boy. What you want to do? Damn. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I would be so scared if there was a big dude, a big giant dude running at me with that speed. Hell no. Alright. How the hell did... Alright, bro. I was about to say something, but then I realized Leon get caught off guard too. If I gotta face him, I'm bringing a rocket launcher. That's all I'm gonna say. And these niggas over here about to do a ritual on me. You're not. You not. Oh my goodness. Ignore all that. Ignore all that. Ignore all that. Ignore that fire. Ignore that other one. That didn't count. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't. Yeah, I'm not collecting no treasure. I'm not collecting none of that. I don't need that. I don't need that. You still... Hey, sir. Yeah. I'm pleased. They didn't take away my guns? They didn't take away my guns. They know I'm American. I know I'm American. So you gotta take away my guns. Are we actually defeated? Hey. I don't know where you think you really think you smooth with this hat on. You really think you ain't Pop. What's up, Papa Smurfs? Sit it down. Sit it down, cousin. That is not my goal. My goal is here. Okay. So what the hell am I doing? The merchant is not here. That's crazy. Alright, bro. Alright. Take this walk, boring ass walk back. Alright, bro. Damn, it's not working? Like... Alright, bro. Can you not climb over it? Jump over it. What the hell's wrong with you? Okay. Alright. Then yeah. Alright. Alright, bro. So that's not the key, like, bro, you sure do go to the odd places.
What are you buying?
Alright. You ain't got no snipe, like, you ain't got no rocket launcher, like, you ain't got nothing, bro. Like, come on, bro. Like, come on, man. Like, you ain't got no rocket launcher? Come on, bro. Like, be for real.
Is that all? Thank you. Is that all?
Yeah, I'm making sure them shotgun shells is on deck. Alright, bro. Let's get this going. I'm guessing the key is this way. Yes, sir. Alright. I'm saving. See, you're not finna keep doing this, like. And it better not be two, because if it be two, I'm gonna be pissed off. I'm out. Enjoy it. Papa Smurf. Sit it down, nigga. Sit it down. I don't know who the hell, like, come on, bro. I don't know, that's how she throw it? Hold on, I'm trying to see the hand grenade. Hold on, let me see your arm in the way, Ada? I'm trying to read yeah, I can't read it. Yeah, it won't let me read it. That's alright though. Something like I me and my gat and my pump. Pump, 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 pump. I ain't got time for y'all. I'm out. I ain't got time for y'all, bro. I ain't got time for y'all. I don't know where y'all popped out from because when I was there, y'all wasn't like. Because when I was there, y'all was nowhere to be seen. Bro, sit it down, bro. Please, sit it down. I ain't got time for you, bro. I really don't. So I'm just gonna leave you to your. Bro, sit it down, bro. Please. All y'all sit it down, bro. Sit it down, please. Sit it down, please. Sit it down, please. There we go. Yeah, we got it. It worked, nigga. Damn. Climb over. Yeah, whatever. Whatever you say. Damn, but why did she do that little hop? Like, it's because of them heels? Like, you shouldn't be wearing them in the first place. I don't know why you was wearing them. I'm gonna go to the one with the giant. Yeah, grapple gun. Which, why did she do that often? I could have sworn like her life would have been much easier if she just did that like more often. Like that's the purpose of it. She only used it like a few times to get up to key points, but there's so many times where she could have just done that. Like I don't understand. But it's okay. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Thank you. I'm glad I could skip that though. I'm glad I could just skip that. I'm not going through that.
You guys go on ahead. Louis. Hey, señorita. Got a light and some smokes to go with it to make my day?
Where's the sample?
Okay, we skipped the foreplay. As a matter of fact, I was just going to get it. Where's the love, baby?
Sounds like fun to me. Just
Bro, the voice acting is...
Okay, lady. Where do you stand on all of this? Exactly what kind of group are you working for?
There are some things in the world better off not knowing. This is one of them.
Fine. I can take a hint. I don't care who you are, as long as you get rid of that old man and his religious friends.
Alright, bro.
Among all the people involved in this, Luis Serra has the least entanglements. He works for no organization, preferring to move on his own. I'm the one who told the organization of his importance. I did it because I like him. His history betrays an enthusiasm I once shared. It was a stroke of luck that I happened to intercept his email for help. It seems he can't trust the police, so he sent the email to an old friend from college. He must have thought his friend was still alive. At any rate, that's how I managed to find him. Apparently, he's been conducting his own investigation of the cult while doing research on Las Plagas. A brilliant scientist. He's accumulated a pile of data and pieced it all together. Must be why Sadler hired him. Too bad Sarah's snooping has aroused his suspicion. When I told him who I was, he practically begged to be taken into custody. He needed protection. He said, I have no love for Las Plagas or this stupid cult. I want out. I just want peace and quiet again. I ordered him to bring me a Master Plaga specimen, a sample for evidence.
Right?
Looks like he's one of the few people whom Sadler actually trusts. Tracking him down and getting my hands on the sample shouldn't be difficult. I doubt the cult will take kindly to his escape, though. I'll have to guide this along if I want it to go smoothly.
Right? Yeah, hell yeah, save. That makes you think I wouldn't want to save. Like, come on now. Alright. Oh, this the part. Damn, look at the frame rate drop, isn't it?
Put your hands where I can see them.
Right.
Sorry, but following a lady's lead just isn't my style.
No, it's
Put
not.
them up now.
You ain't getting one on Leon. You're not getting one on Leon, yo. You're not slick, yo. What you think who you think you is? Come on, Ada. What you wanna do, Ada? You ain't quick as my boy Leon, Ada.
Try using knives next time. We're expecting.
You ain't quick as my boy. Who you think you is?
Leon. Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Ada.
A, B, C,
So it
and
is
D.
true.
True? About what?
You working with Wesker.
I see you've been doing your
EHJ.
Why?
Alright,
Ada?
let me stop.
What's it to you?
Why are you here? Why'd you show up like this?
No, not H. What the hell am I saying?
See you around.
Ada!
Luis has succeeded in recovering the sample. He's waiting in the castle. Get in contact with him ASAP.
Understood.
And that US government lapdog, Leon.
If you do happen to encounter him, put him out of commission. We can't let him interfere with our plans.
He has no idea what's going on. He's nothing we need to worry about.
He's a survivor of Raccoon City. We can do without the extra distraction. Take him out.
Yeah.
Leon.
I'm gonna let y'all know right now. If she try to take out Leon, she dying. If I'm controlling her, if I'm controlling Leon, I'm killing her. It's like hell nah, bro. I really don't care for Ada like that. I'm letting you know off the bat. And I ain't talking about no 40. I'm not talking about 40 extra, bro. I'm talking about off the bat, homie. Like, ooh, hold on, bro. Hold on. Actually, I'm kind of excited for this one. This one new,
Gotta select. What are you, boy?
Alright, bro. Alright,
Thank
man.
you.
So, you got a bow
that
gun.
all?
Yes, sir. I have a feeling I'm not going to use this. Nah. Let me not do that. As a matter of fact, let me get rid of all this stuff I have.
What are you selling?
All this extra stuff. Nah, but then it's gonna make more. Hold on. Hold on. I don't need all this. First off, I don't need all these. I'm keeping the cheats on. I'm just gonna let y'all know. I'm still gonna keep the cheats on, cause listen, bro. I was already reluctant to play just leave it alone, but I really don't care. I'm gonna let y'all know I don't care for this DLC. I'm just leaving. I'm playing it because I don't want to leave no extra stuff out. Cause alright. First off, Actually, no. Y'all in the way. We asses out the way. The guns should be like right next to each other. Ain't no excuse. And then y'all, yeah, y'all. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yes, discard them. Thank you.
What are you selling?
What am I selling? What are you selling?
Is that all?
Ass. That's what I'm selling. Ass.
What are you buying?
Alright. I'm doing too much. I'm doing too much. Let me relax. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This I ain't gonna lie. I'm excited to use this bow gun. But guess what? That's for the next episode. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. She over here poking with the little booty out. But make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. First off, let me see the damage. Let me see it. Pistol style crossbow. The capacity 1. Standard issue. Okay. Alright. Firing speed. That's the firing speed. The reload is 2 seconds. That's a little too long. I don't like that. The firing speed is ass, basically. The firepower is good. It's probably explosive. That's why it's so high like that. Because ain't no crossbow like crossbow. Usually crossbow in video games is garbage. This is garbage as hell. So, you know, but this is a pistol issue type. What the hell is even the need for this gun? This gun seemed like it's ass. Like, hey, let's be real, bro. In real life, ain't nobody purchasing or taking this type of guns, bro. Except people that do them YouTube videos where they show them type of guns you not usually see people carry, and only they have them, and you know, stuff like that. Ain't nobody want this, bro. Like, ain't nobody finna be wasting their time using this. But anyway, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and stuff like that. You know, comment, share. Peace out.